everyone, my name is Suni and I am a MBA Business Analytics student. Today, let's explore how statistical function like average, median, mode, and the standard deviation helps us make sense of real data. Instead of looking at these as just a number, let us make them as a lens to see pattern in the information that we have. Here we have a data set that record blood pressure change, different doses, and treatment. At first glance, it just looked like a long table filled with a number. But the beauty of statistics is that it turns this raw data into a story. Let's start with the average. Now we are creating column of average lecture. So there, there is a two way to calculate average. First is equal to type average is bracket open, and I'm calculating average of BP change column. Now close the bracket. You can see in the between the bracket B2 to B61. It means I'm right now selecting starting from B2 column and selected point is B62 and enter. So 10.49 492982 is the average of BP change column. This is how much the blood pressure change across all the cases. Now there is a second way to subtotal total bracket open. You can see first is average. So type one is average, comma, and again selecting the PP change column. Close the bracket, then enter. Same average because we are taking same data, but you can see the formula is different. After the calculation, formula is different. You can see here the function side the function, right side of the function. So now we calculate median. Median. The formula is to calculate median is median. Open the bracket. Again selecting BP change column. Close the column, enter. So the middle value is 4. Notice how this is much smaller than the average. This tells us that most animal had relatively low change, but few had a very high ones that pushed the average. You can see that 19 high BP change, and this is here is also the first animal is rabbit. Number first rabbit is BP changes 0.5. So this changed the average. This pushed the average. And now we calculate mode. There is the formula to mode calculator. It's equal to type mode, open the bracket, select it, BP change column, close the bracket, enter. The mode is 3. Mode is obtained is 3. It means the repeated value is 3 in BP change column. In this data set, most of the rabbit have a BP change ratio is 3. BP blood pressure change ratio is 3. Finally, we calculate standard deviation. Formula is equal to type is 10 STD dot S, because right now we are using sample data. The data we are using, it is sample data. So that's why we using this formula STDEV dot S. Yeah, and open the bracket, close the bracket, and enter. So 11.1318811749, which is standard deviation. Okay, it comes standard, which is quite closer to the average. What does it this means? It means that if the standard deviation is small, it means most value are closer to average. It tells us that the data is consistent. Okay, guys, thank you.